Yahboom Roboterarm for Jetson Nano 4GB. The AI arm that sees, thinks, and grabs for real, live proof. You ever stare at another half-finished robotics project gathering dust and feel that quiet sting of defeat? I was there last month. Boxes of servos, dead code, zero movement. Felt like I'd never actually build something that works. Drop yes below if you're tired of dreaming about real AI robotics and ready to finally own it. That crushing weight when your arm jerks, misses, or just freezes? Hours wasted, motivation crushed, excitement turning into pure frustration. Another weekend gone. Another "I'll finish it later" lie. Imagine never feeling that sinking disappointment again. Imagine hitting run and watching it actually think, see, and move perfectly. Comment burnout if you're done with robotic heartbreak. Then everything changed the day I unboxed the Yahboom Roboterarm for Jetson Nano 4GB. Don't just grab any robotic arm. Make sure it has real Jetson Nano GPU acceleration, so you never deal with sluggish recognition or failed grabs ever again. This beauty sees in real time, tracks faces smoothly, recognizes colors instantly, follows gestures like a puppy, and grabs exactly what you point at. No lag, no excuses. Control it 5 different ways: phone app while sipping coffee, gamepad for that perfect feel, ROS for pro-level moves, even Jupyter notebooks when you're feeling dangerous. My buddy Mark was literally seconds from rage-quitting his demo when his old arm froze mid-grab in front of his professor. Switched to Yahboom that night. Next day, it sorted colored blocks flawlessly on camera, while his professor's jaw hit the floor. The relief in his voice when he said, "Bro, it actually works," still gives me chills. Comment jaw drop if you want that moment. Now every session is pure flow. Write a few lines of Python and watch it dodge obstacles, stack blocks, write your name, even play rock, paper, scissors with you. Hours saved, focus unbreakable, joy off the charts, results that make people think you're a wizard. A robotics professor told me last week my grad students went from stuck to publishing papers because this arm just works. A YouTube maker with 400,000 subs said he's never seen face tracking this smooth on anything under $5,000. One lab technician runs theirs 10 hours a day, still zero drift. My own test taught it to sort Lego in 45 minutes flat. Worried about the learning curve? I felt the same. Took me one Saturday and the arm was outperforming kits I spent months building. Thousands of makers, students, and researchers now refuse to touch anything else. Which excites you most right now? Comment 1, buttery smooth AI vision, 2, ROS superpowers, 3, holy crap, it actually listens, control, or 4, never failing in front of people again. I'm reading every single one. Let's talk. You've waited long enough to own a real AI brain that moves. Thousands of creators, students, and pros are already living in the future every single day, building faster, failing less, showing off projects that actually work. The Yahboom Roboterarm for Jetson Nano 4GB is the switch that finally makes robotics feel easy and insanely fun. Click the link in the description or pinned comment right now, full affiliate disclosure there too, and grab yours. Watch it wake up, look around, and obey you perfectly the first time. Your holy crap, this is real moment starts today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.